Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use multiple WhatsApp accounts like this on a single Android mobile. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything.
So guys, to use multiple WhatsApp accounts or any other social media accounts, all you have to do is just go to the Google Play Store and install this application called Multiple Accounts Dual Space. Once you install this application, just open it and allow all the necessary permissions. Now here, you will see all your social media applications which are installed in this Android mobile. You can create multiple accounts of these apps. So to create multiple accounts of WhatsApp, simply click on this plus icon and then click on this WhatsApp plus icon. Now you have created your another WhatsApp app on this device. Simply click and hold on this to rename this application. You can open this WhatsApp from here, but if you want home screen shortcut, then simply click and hold on this again and click on this home screen icon, which will create a home screen shortcut for you. Allow it to create home screen shortcut. Click on back button to exit from this pop-up message. Repeat the same process to add multiple accounts. Here you can see I have added 10 WhatsApp accounts here. So guys, this is how you can add multiple WhatsApp accounts or any other social media accounts on your Android mobile.
So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, then do hit the like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.